followed by master degree in hydraulics and water resource engineering, and completed his PhD in civil engineering from Clemson University, South Carolina University in 1993. As an authority in hydrology and water resource engineering, Sir's research contributions spans flood modeling, water resource management, water conservation, and sustainable infrastructure development. His scholarly work has been published extensively in reputed journals and has received wide recognition and citation from the global research community. During his illustrious career, Sir has also held several key administrative positions, contributing significantly to academic planning, institutional governance, and research development. As the director of IIT Dharwad, he is passionately committed to shaping the institute into a center of excellence in technology and innovation, promoting interdisciplinary research, strengthening industry-academia collaboration, and nurturing the next generation of engineers and scientists. On behalf of the organizing committee, it is a great honor for me to warmly invite Professor Desai sir to kindly address the gathering to say a few words. Sir, please.
सुप्रभात, that is good morning. मंच के ऊपर उपस्थित है NIT पटना के निदेशक प्रोफेसर जैन, NIT वारंगल के निदेशक प्रोफेसर सुबुद्धि, मैं भी वाटर फील्ड में भीष्म पितामह से बोल सकते हैं प्रोफेसर विजय पी सिंह, चेयरमैन ऑफ द कॉन्फ्रेंस Professor Rama Karchar, as well as many experts who are off the dais, like Professor Vinod Tare, Dr. Bhanu Newpen from UNESCO, and many others. So this wetlands and water resources is possibly the less understood among the water resources as well, because in IIT Kanpur, I had the privilege of offering a course on integrated watershed management, and in that, in the that is the introductory lecture, I used to start with this one. That is we need three major natural resources need to be conserved. That is water, soil, water, vegetation. And in fact, I thought it is relevant to link it with the Yajurveda Shanti Mantra. That is Prithvi Shanti, representing soil conservation or rock conservation. Apa Shanti, representing water conservation, and Oshadhaya Shanti, representing vegetation conservation. And in fact, actually, they are complementary to one another. And natural wetlands, they also conserve. That means here conservation is qualitative as well as quantitative. Natural wetlands, they have this. Like we all have, we know about Himalayas. Himalayas is the youngest and tallest mountain, and where there are also the wetlands. Like say the best example is Mansarovar, where major rivers like Sindhu, Brahmaputra, as well as Karnali, Nepal, they originate. As well as we know that Finland is called the land of 10,000 lakes in Europe. So obviously, they might have done far better Swan. So and of course, here to come Swan only, the Sundarbans is the largest delta, and here there is a lot of Swan, and there is a lot of scope to improve the quality as well as quantity. That means soil. That is water quality as well as water quantity. And, the soil there actually to minimize the erosion and sedimentation, as well as vegetation. Vegetation, the roots of the vegetation will reinforce this one. So I'm sure this conference is a very relevant field. Professor Ramakar Shah, I just sincerely appreciate his efforts. And so with this, and obviously in the 3 days, so many more SWAN will be there, and obviously, so even the constructed wetlands, there will and other SWAN, other related SWAN also. So you will know, and I feel that that is each one of you, those who are participating in this conference, will take it as a major event in your professional life. So with these few words, मेरा वाणी को विराम देता हूँ. धन्यवाद.
Dhanyawad, sir. It is my privilege to introduce Professor Pradeep K. Jain, the Director of the National Institute of Technology, Patna, and President of this international conference. Sir is an internationally renowned scientist in the field of high-power microwave devices and circuits, commencing your academic career at Banaras Hindu University in 1981, rising to the rank of professor in 2001, and have since made pioneering contributions to the field. You also served as the Dean of Research and Development at IIT BHU, Varanasi, and coordinated several advanced research centers. Professor Jain has been leading NIT Patna since 2017, steering the institute towards academic excellence, innovation, and national prominence, which has led to a steep rise in the institute's NIRF ranking. Under your leadership, NIT Patna has strengthened its research collaborations and expanded its role as a key player in India's higher education landscape. Please join me in welcoming Professor P.K. Jain, sir, to deliver his address.
Namaskar, very good morning. This speedy conference on wetland and water resources 2025 is well thought conference by organizers, Professor Arpita and Steve. On its inauguration, at this time I welcome our chief guest, Professor B.P. Singh, Texas A&M US, that he has traveled all the way from US to participate and bless us and share his lifelong experience. Today, guest of honor, Professor Vidyadhar Chuduri, Director NIT, Professor B.R. Desai, Director IIT. Guest of honor for today's inaugural function. Sir, thank you very much for joining us. And my thanks also goes to a galaxy of experts in front of me, beyond the dais, in front of the dais, who are the doing in this field. And they will share their lifelong experience in this area. I'm not the expert in this wetland and water resources, but as a common man, whatever I could perceive, share with you. And as you know that this National Institute of Technology has a full-time Center of Research on Water Resources and actively working on various aspects related to water resources, environmental engineering, and many other facets of its allied areas. And as our government of India is also very active in this area and has initiated Amrit Sarovar program to deep innovative ponds, wetlands, waterlogged areas, etc. The present conference has relevance for the same. There are many wetlands in the India, and some of them are included under the Ramsar Convention. In Bihar, 3 such Ramsar sites exist. In our schools and colleges, we do study various aspects of hydrological cycles and related studies. However, very limited or almost no attention is given on waterland and wetlands as our so the SAI also emphasize on that. And it is well known that during rainy season, large area get flooded due to huge catchment of water in the rivers. And if wetland lie in such area, it will work as a cushion and would certainly reduce the flood level. Water catchment due to such heavy rains will get stored in wetlands, which could be natural or it could be artificially or intensely created. And then this water will move to the rivers. This situation will certainly reduce the sudden impact or havoc of flood. So this temporary retention and detention of water are very important. Secondly, it also reduces the pollution load in the river. It will reduce the sediments load in the rivers. In the same process, hence, this wetlands will able to maintain urban and natural biodiversity, inviting migrating birds, maintaining flora and fauna, as well as life cycle of the nature. This conference will certainly provide a unique platform for the experts, policymakers, researchers, and the local communities to come together and share their knowledge, collaborate on conservation strategy, and develop solutions for safeguarding wetlands and water resources. Our institute is taking part in many such activities on urban biodiversity, wetland study of Gokul Jalase, Buxar, Bihar, and other related activities. I am finding today that UNESCO and IUCN experts are here. Many experts from the different national and international institutes and universities are also present here and actively participating on this wetland conference. And hope that with a galaxy of such experts, all our participants will get benefited with their lifetime expertise, and hope that with our limited resources, your stay will be comfortable in this poor condition of Bihar, and our team, conference team, will take care of your stay here. And but I'm sure that the conference output will be useful to you all as a researcher, as a policy maker, and other stakeholders. So I will not take much time between you and experts to discuss further on the wetlands. So thank you all. Jai Hind, Vande.
Thank you, sir. We are delighted to acknowledge the presence of several esteemed guests of the dais. May I now request our director, Professor P.K. Jain, to honor each of them with a shawl